Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll begin by preparing the phone for a major upgrade. Make a quick iCloud or Finder backup now, because once the update runs, you want a restore point. Connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network and plug into power. Low battery can pause the process. Then open Settings, go to General, choose Software Update and tap Download and Install. Once done, the download proceeds in the background while you wait for the install prompt. This reduces interruption and avoids data loss. After you start, keep an eye on progress and estimated time so you can plan around the restart. If the download stalls for storage reasons, offload unused apps or remove large videos. You can re-download apps later. When the installer is ready, you'll be prompted to agree to terms and enter your passcode. Do that promptly to avoid timeouts. Make sure Do Not Disturb settings don't block notifications. This helps you see final prompts. The device will automatically restart to apply the update. When the install finishes, you'll go through a brief setup. Sign in with your Apple ID, enable privacy and feature prompts, and allow apps to update. Check battery and general settings to confirm health and permissions. Make sure critical apps are updated via the App Store for compatibility. If something goes wrong, like an install error, reboot the device and try again. If it still fails, use recovery mode to reinstall iOS or restore from your backup to recover data. That single troubleshooting step usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.